Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes File Explorer crashing or not responding error windows. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand classes. Click and expand local settings, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows, click and expand Shell. Delete BagMRU Key. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.